It is nothing like what we see on YouTube. It is totally different here. So crowded, and I don't know what fun we can have watching the whale shark here. You can see by yourself कि कितना पब्लिक है यहाँ पे, कितना crowded है, कितने boats लगे हैं लाइन से. एक बोट में around 10 to 20 people है. Just see in the video that one boat was on the top of whale shark head. Right? बोट्स भी हम जो देखते हैं वीडियोस में completely different boats हैं यहाँ पर. ये देखो. After an incredible 3 days in Moal Ball, filled with exploring the Pescador Island, scuba diving with sardines, snorkeling with sea turtles, chasing waterfalls at Tawasan Falls, and trekking to the highest peak of Cebu Island, Osmina Peak, we made our way to Oslo for an exciting whale shark experience. However, things did not go as planned. What we saw online and imagined for our holiday turned out to be completely different, and honestly, a bit disappointing. In this video, we will share our first-hand experience and what you should know before coming to Oslo for the whale shark experience. The drive from Moal Ball to Oslo takes around 2 hours, and if you are coming from Cebu, you can also take a private bus. After a long day of exploring, we decided to take a well-deserved rest before our much-anticipated whale shark experience the next day. चलिए फिर आपको अपनी स्टोरी बताता हूँ. I woke up at 4 a.m. to stand in the queue and collect our token. But to my surprise, there were already tourists lined up since 2 a.m. Matlab, by the time we reached the counter, there were over 200 people ahead of us. Finally, around 6:30 a.m., I managed to reach the counter, only to find out that the waiting time to get on the boat was another 2 to 3 hours, and every member in the group has to be in the queue till the time we get on the boat. To make the matter worse, there was no electricity in the entire town of Oslo from 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. This meant no access to hot water, no air conditioning, no fans, and most importantly, none of the ATMs were working. We even tried to arrange a private boat, but without the electricity, even the 7-Eleven ATMs were down. No ATM, no power.
ATM here?
No power.
No.
I need to take out cash.
How much you decided? You bought or
No, private boat.
Private boat?
Yeah, but no cash. I went to ATM. No, she said 4 p.m. Power comes.
Yeah, because no energy,
Yeah.
no power.
I can't pay by card.
I'm sorry, sir.
No problem. It's okay.
Much better, sir. No expensive. Much better you pay the ticket
Yeah, but we have to wait, right?
and you wait your baby and you calling and baby and you calling your number. Much
Okay.
better. Much safety money. That's okay. No problem.
She wanted to see whale shark.
Yeah.
It's okay. 3 hours waiting.
Yeah.
Usually, whale shark watching experience ticket is around 500 peso and 1000 peso for snorkeling and 1500 peso for scuba diving. However, if you wish to go on a private boat to avoid the crowd and spend more relaxing time swimming with whale sharks, it will cost you from 6,000 to 10,000 peso depending on your bargaining skills. One of the local guide was ready to take us on a private boat for 8,000 pesos. But we had no access to ATMs and we carried cash only for our hotel, whale shark watching experience tickets, and some extra cash for food and other activities. That meant we didn't have enough cash to pay for a private boat experience. Do you want to hurt the whale shark?
No.
Right. So do you want to go there on the boat? No. How many people are there? So many people are there though. And did you just see in the video that one boat was on the top of whale shark head? Right? So it might be hurting them. Yeah. So we'll see from far only and we'll not go there. Okay. So happy?
Next time.
Next time we'll see wherever it is natural. Or you learn swimming and then go for diving and then see. Okay. Love you. सो आवर ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस, जैसे तैसे करके हमने सैम को समझाया एंड देखा कि 15 to 20 boats are crowded at one place, spoiling the entire experience of those who went on the boat. कुछ तो व्हेल शार्क के हेड पर बार बार मार रहे थे। ये सारा सर्कस देखने के बाद हमने डिसाइड किया कि थोड़ा टाइम बीच पर स्पेंड करते हैं, ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए चलते हैं। ब्रेकफास्ट के बाद हमने डिसाइड किया कि होटल से चेकआउट करके ओस्लो पियर जाते हैं, जहाँ से हमें फेरी लेना है बोहोल के लिए, जो कि हमारा नेक्स्ट डेस्टिनेशन होगा। माई ओनली फीडबैक टू अदर ट्रैवलर्स इज सुबह जितना जल्दी हो सके लाइन में लग जाओ, एक्स्ट्रा कैश अपने साथ रखना एंड बी रेडी टू वेट फॉर आवर्स बिफोर यू गेट ऑन द बोट फॉर नेक्स्ट 20-30 मिनट्स। एरिया बहुत ज़्यादा क्राउडेड हो जाता है विथ नो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एंड ह्यूमिड। अपने साथ इनफ वाटर एंड हो सकता है तो हैंड फैन भी रख लेना। So with this disappointing experience, we are moving ahead to our next destination, which will be बोहोल, जहां हम 5 दिन स्पेंड करने वाले हैं एंड बहुत सारे प्लेसेस एंड एक्टिविटीज कवर करेंगे।
Baby is scared, near. Uncle, don't near. I'm scared.
ओस्लो डिसअपॉइंटिंग हुआ तो क्या हुआ, हमने व्हेल शार्क वॉचिंग एक्सपीरियंस आखिर कर ही लिया बोहोल में। कैसे जानने के लिए बने रहिएगा नोमैडिक एक्सप्लोरिस्टा के साथ एंड अगला वीडियो जरूर देखना। होपफुली ये वीडियो आपको हेल्प करेगा अपना व्हेल शार्क वॉचिंग एक्सपीरियंस एंड ओस्लो ट्रैवल प्लान करने में। और भी बहुत सारे अमेजिंग वीडियोस आने वाले हैं, तो प्लीज डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल एंड लाइक एंड शेयर दिस वीडियो। मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में। बाय बाय फॉर नाउ।